Now all the seven characters which Mendel studied, they are present as dominant and recessive. कि ये seven traits which were studied by Mendel, they are present as dominant and recessive. Like in plant height, tallness is dominant to dwarf. Violet color of the flower is dominant over white color. The axial position of the flower is dominant to terminal. Yellow seed color is dominant over green seed color. Round seed shape is dominant to wrinkled. Inflated pod shape is dominant to constricted, and green pod color is dominant to yellow pod color. So seven traits which were studied by Mendel, they are present as dominant and recessive. Actually we have to do the experiment studied by Mendel, but before going to them we have to learn about some definitions which we are trying to do. तो हमने किया कौन से definitions? Allele, a pair of gene which controls inheritance of same character. और वो genes जो हैं दो form में present हो सकते हैं. Both the genes they can be similar and the genes they can be in a pair, they can be different. If genes in a pair they are different, these are called heterozygous or hybrid. And the gene which is able to express itself in hybrid condition, that is called dominant gene, and gene which is not able to express itself in hybrid condition, that is called recessive gene. And the genetic makeup of an individual is called genotype, and the external appearance of an individual, tall, dwarf, round, green, violet flowers, axial position, all these they are the external appearance. So these are called the phenotypes. Now there are two more definitions. First is the monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross, a cross involving study of one character at a time, is called monohybrid cross. A cross involving study of one character at a time is called monohybrid cross. And dihybrid cross, a cross involving study of two characters at a time, is called dihybrid cross. तो अब हमने स्टडी क्या करना है? मोनोहाइब्रिड और डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस को. मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में ये जो हमने 7 कैरेक्टर्स देखे हैं, एक कैरेक्टर को एक टाइम पे स्टडी करें. सपोज करो प्लांट हाइट को ही स्टडी करें, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. वेदर द प्लांट इज टॉल और ड्वार्फ, जो भी, वेदर या हम सीड कलर ले लें, पोजीशन ऑफ द फ्लावर ले लें, एक टाइम पे एक ही कैरेक्टर को स्टडी करें, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. एंड डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस, स्टडी ऑफ टू कैरेक्टर्स एट अ टाइम. सपोज वी स्टडी tall, that is the height of the plant, and the color of the seed. Height of the plant and color of the seed. If they are studied at a time, two characters, any two characters, if they are studied at a time, so such a cross is called dihybrid cross. And there are certain symbols which are used in the cross. They are P, which stands for parents. F1 stands for first filial generation, and the F2, it stands for second filial. Filial का क्या मतलब होता है? Offspring, offspring, children. First filial generation. F2 stands for second filial generation. So these are the symbols, and these terms will be used in Mendel's monohybrid and dihybrid cross.